In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Google Sheets. If you're tired of staring at a plain white grid and want your spreadsheet to feel more like a polished app or a custom dashboard, this is a simple, reliable way to do it without breaking anything in your data. Start by opening your Google Sheet, then head to the Insert menu at the top. Hover over Image and choose Insert Image over Cells. That exact option matters. Don't pick in cell. The in cell choice pins the picture inside a single cell, which keeps it tiny, clipped, and hard to position. Over cells, on the other hand, floats the image above your sheet like a layer, so you can place it wherever it looks best. It doesn't snap to cell boundaries, which gives you more freedom to compose a layout that feels more like an interface than a spreadsheet. Next, upload your visual. This could be your brand logo, a soft gradient, or a clean professional texture. Once it appears on the canvas, you can move it freely. Click and drag to slide it into your header area or off to the side of your data to frame the numbers. Because it sits over cells, your formulas, sorting, and filtering continue to work normally underneath it, which keeps your workflow intact. If the image gets in your way while editing, just nudge it aside temporarily and move it back when you're done. To make everything look cohesive, go to the View menu and uncheck Grid Lines. Grid lines are the light gray borders around every cell. Turning them off instantly gives your sheet a cleaner, app-like feel and lets your background image stand out without visual noise. Your custom borders and cell fills still show, so your structure remains clear. You can always toggle grid lines back on later if you need to do detailed editing. Here's a pro tip for readability. Choose an image with low opacity or a simple, subtle gradient. The goal is to enhance the design without competing with the text and numbers. Light gray, off-white, or desaturated tones work especially well, keeping values easy to scan. Busy patterns, harsh contrast, or vivid colors can make your data harder to read, especially on smaller screens. Smaller, lightweight image files also help keep the sheet responsive. With those adjustments, you've transformed a basic spreadsheet into something that looks intentional and professional while still being fully functional. This small upgrade can elevate dashboards, reports, and presentations where first impressions matter just as much as accuracy. Make your data look as good as it performs. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets design hacks.